Hi, welcome back to my channel. Imagine turning just 3 liters of oil into 64 solid bars of soaps. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. And I will also break down the full cost and the profit so you can see the real business potentials. If you are interested in soap making or starting a small business, then you need to watch this till the end. It's not about using high water to achieve massive bars of soap sometimes. Using excess water makes your soap too soft and breaks too. You can achieve massive bars of soap in moderation. Oh yes. Now, you might be thinking, is this soap going to be soft or is it even going to lather? The answer is a resounding yes. The secret isn't just in the amount of water, but in how we are balancing the fats to get every ounce of value out of this barge. You are going to do all the maths with me here on this channel. Again, to gain this much bars, it also depends on the kind of cutter you are using. Oh yes. So your cutter can give you much bars of soap depending how adjustable it is. Okay, so I'm going to break down every details. I'm going to do the mathematics with you. I'm going to let you know how much I bought the oil and the profit I made. Okay, so guys, let's start. Now, step one, I bought 25 liters of fiber oil at 33,000 naira. So 33,000 divided by 25, then is going to give me 1,320 per liter. So far, 3 liters is a 1,320 times 3 will give you 3,960. Did you get that? So far, 3 liters of oil at 1,320 times 3 is going to give you 3,960 naira. So step 2, add other materials. Oil is 3 liters at 3,960. Now, which is caustic soda at 500 naira for 500 grams. Fragrance I used is 1,000 naira. Soda ash 150 grams at 120 naira. So total production 3,960 plus 500 plus 1,000 plus 120 is going to give you 5,580 naira. So step 3, cost per bar. Total bars of 64. Remember the total soap cost of everything we used is 5,580. So 5,580 divided by 64 is about 85 per bar. 85 naira per bar. So then the cost per soap is around 85 per bar. So step 4, if you sell at 250 naira per bar, then 250 naira times 64 is going to give you 16,000 naira. Okay, so step 5, the profit. Then 16,000 naira minus 5,580 naira. Remember, 16,000 naira is the total of everything you sold. The 64 pieces of soaps you got from the 3 liters of oil, then you sell it at 250 naira. Then if you times 250 naira times 64 pieces of that soap, it's going to give you 16,000. Then 16,000 naira is the whole money you realize from that 64 pieces of soap. Then the step 5 is the profit we are talking about. Then this 16,000 naira which you realized from that 64 pieces of soap, when you minus 5,580, which is the total cost of your raw materials you used. Did you get it? If you minus the 16,000 naira you realized from 64 pieces of soap, then minus it from 5,580 naira, which is the total cost of the the material you used, then you have a balance of 10,420 naira profit. Is it not much? Is there no gain? If you made 3 liters of oil and you made gain of 10,420 naira after minusing everything that you spent, isn't that much money in the profit? All right. So I produced 64 bars of soap from just 3 liters of oil. My production cost per bar is 85. If I sell at 250 per bar, that's over 10,000 profit from one batch of soap. Now imagine producing 3 to 4 batches in a week. Then you are going to realize how much I'm going to make. So if anybody is telling you there is no profit in soap making, that person is lying. It depends on what you are using, the right measurement you are using to produce your soap, the right cutter you are using to cut your soap. All these things are what you are going to put in order. You are going to, look into before going into before producing your soap. So I got 64 bars of soap in this particular production with 3 liters, all right, with 3 liters of oil. So if I'm to sell a carton of this soap, if I'm to sell it in carton to those in the shop or those in the market, then I'm going to sell at 230 naira per bar, so that they will also make gain. 230 naira per bar times each carton of this soap contains 30 pieces of soap. So I'm going to times 230 times 30 pieces of soap. So I'm going to sell at 6,900 a carton. Remember, I made 2 cartons of soap from these 3 liters, 64 pieces of soap. So if I package in my carton 30 pieces, I'm going to have 2 cartons and 4 pieces of soap 900
into the 2 cartons.
So when you times this 6,000, you times it into the 2 cartons you have, you are going to get 13,800 naira for 2 cartons of soap, and you are going to still have 4 pieces of soap left. So if anybody is telling you there's no gain in soap making, the person is lying. It all depends on it all depends on where you get your raw materials. If they are cheap or costly, that's the only way you are going to know if you are going to make gain or not. When you buy your materials at cheaper rate or you buy your oil at cheaper rate, believe me, you are going to make money. Like now, oil is on a cheaper rate now. Okay, so if I were you, I will stock my store with oil, so that when oil inflates again, you won't have any cause to cry that you are not making money. All right, so then if I make about 3 or more batches with 3 liters of oil, how much do you think I will realize? By the time I will finish these 25 liters of oils, man, I'll be making massive money. If I'm making 10,000 naira from 3 liters of oil, like 10,000 naira is my gain from 3 liters of oil, then I have 25 liters of oil. How much do you think I will gain? So there is a lot of gain if you use the right recipe, if you use a right cutter. You don't need to cry about not making gain, about losses and all of that. Just know the recipe you are using. It's not all about using high water in making soap for your soap to be big or for you to realize much bars. No, it's about the authenticity. It's about the quality. It's about the hardness. At times when you make soap with high water, the soap comes out very soft. When people use it to wash, it will start breaking, and they wouldn't like that. They wouldn't like to come back to you again. So make use of a right recipe, then use the amount of water you are supposed to use, then make sure your cutter is ready. Okay, if you can adjust your quota, oh man, do it. We are all doing all this thing for us to make gain. There is no business without gain. Any business you are making without gain, you have to change a line of business. It's not working. There is no how we are going to venture into a business and you'll be complaining of not making gains. For what? If you're not making gain in your business, any of your, please change line of business, okay? And there you have it. 64 beautiful hard curing bars of soap from just 3 liters of oil. If you are going to try this bulk batch method, please, you have to do it. All right, and please subscribe to this channel. I love you. See you all in my next video. Ciao.